Hi, this is our website. You already should have watched the intro video that was on the homepage. So what we're going to do now is go to this page, and we're just going to talk a little bit about some of the experiences that our group members have had with the flipped classroom. John wrote that when he was in 8th grade, his math teacher attempted one, and that they watched her instruction videos at home and then completed the homework in class in groups. And he actually had a fun experience with it and thought it was a benefit to the class. In addition, one of my experiences with the flipped classroom was that I was doing a long-term sub position in a middle school, and the children they were bored with the worksheets. So what me and the classroom aide that was helping me with the position, we took some YouTube videos, we put them together, and we were actually able to create a full classroom experience. And the children went through, put headphones on, learned the information, and then took a little mini quiz, and then we were able to like discuss it after class, instead of them just staring at me and doing worksheets for an hour. So, two very positive experiences with flipped classrooms. Thank you.